Hey, I'm going to show you how to edit a frequently asked question on a product page. Now, this is not for your store frequently asked questions, which is usually set up as a completely separate page on WordPress. These are the individual product FAQs. Let me show you those real quick. So what I'm talking about is the frequently asked questions that are here that people can access. And I don't have it set up yet, but I'll make sure that there's also a place where they can ask a question. So here in my products, I already have these added. These were what we call global frequently asked questions. That means that they're going to apply to multiple products. You do have to add them individually to the product. It doesn't automatically appear. But if you change it, that change will appear across all products. If you wanted to add an individual question, you would hit Add New FAQ. It's just a regular new FAQ. And the FAQ title is... So that's just a one-off question. It would only appear once. So then I would hit update, then reload. And now I have just a one-off question. It's only going to appear on this product. If you want to add a global or edit a global question, you would come over here to where it says BWL Woo FAQ. And you can go over to global FAQs and you can edit these at any time. So I'm just putting no, it is not. I'm going to click update, reload the page, and now you'll see that it's changed here. And it will have changed across any product where this global FAQ has appeared. If you want to add a new global FAQ, you're going to hit Add New FAQ. Click Publish. Now I have to go in and individually add that. So I'm going to scroll down here, and I'm going to click Add FAQ, Global FAQ, and then there it is. Save it, update, reload, and it will appear. There you go.